dinner.
No, it's not.
Oh.
You got some great raw ingredients, kid. Open up your stance a little. Wrong, wrong, wrong. That's okay. You just didn't have it today.
Not everything's baseball.
Yes, it is.
You know, Lise, I'm glad I'm not playing baseball anymore. I think I'm more interested in soccer.
Ow! 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 Hey, cut it out! You're upsetting the gravy boat.
I'll put a stop to this nonsense.
The ice a touch loose. Now, to begin my off-season job, follow home robberies. I'll see you in the parking lot, but you won't see me until it's too late.
You stink!
Lisa? She wants to talk to you.
Hey, Lise.
Bart, I need you. Ralph can't play because he's too juiced.
I didn't know what I was putting into my body.
What about Bart's feelings?
Boys don't have feelings, they have muscles.
Why do you say such ridiculous things?
They sound good in my brain, then my tongue makes not the words sound very good. Formally.
I won't hurt my little sister.
You know, someday these kids will be out of the house and you'll regret not spending more time with them.
That's a problem for future Homer. Man, I don't envy that guy.
Fine, you can be our coach.
Thanks. You can be the free safety.
Wrong sport.
I mean the point guard.
Also wrong.
I'm gonna do a little research.
A little's not gonna be enough, Honey Pie.
Don't call me Honey Pie.
You got it, Tootsie Pop.
Get a room, you two.
We're brother and sister.
So are my parents, I think.
He had earned the nickname Charlie Hustle.
Mama Bear said families should stick together because
him
anything else
and
is
home
right
plate.
Excuse me. With all this racket, my boys can't get their 16 hours sleep.
If he makes it, that's my son.
You're out!
Come on, guys. I had to get rid of Bart.
But he socked a walk-off dinger.